This question is from GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering paper set 4, question number 22. The principle of material removal in electrochemical machining is option A Fick's law, option B Faraday's law, option C Kirchhoff's law, or option D Ohm's law. Let's see what it is. So electrochemical machining basically uses the electrolysis process. And this electrolysis process is governed by Faraday's law. So our answer is Faraday's law, but let's understand what is exactly Faraday's law and how electrolysis process is dependent upon it. So the first point about it is that the amount of material that is dissolved or deposited will be proportional to the quantity of electricity passed. So in electrochemical machining, when material is being deposited on the base metal, electricity is being used, and the amount of electricity that is passed through it, which is nothing but I into T, this amount of current will decide the mass of the material deposited, capital M. Therefore, capital M is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed, which is nothing but the charge. Second thing, this mass is also proportional to the chemical equivalent weight. So, mass is also directly proportional to chemical equivalent weight. We can write M is directly proportional to I into T from previous relation into the chemical equivalent weight, which is denoted by epsilon. And this formula is finally written with Faraday's constant as M equal to I into T epsilon by Faraday's constant capital F. This constant has the value of 96,500. Of course, it is coulombs. Why coulomb? Because I into T is charge, it is in coulombs, and we need mass in kg. Chemical equivalent weight has a unit of kg, and ultimately we'll get the unit of mass kg. Let's go back and mark the correct option. So as already seen, our correct answer is in option B, which is principle of material removal in electrochemical machining is Faraday's laws. It is either deposition or removal. In both the cases, the same law is going to be applied. M is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed and the chemical equivalent weight of the materials. To learn more about electrochemical machining, you can refer to the NPTEL video Lecture 38 Electrochemical Machining from the course Lecture Series on Manufacturing Processes 2. This course is by Professor A.B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay and Professor S. Paul. They all are from the Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Kharagpur. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.